You're welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to start Python. In the previous video, we explained how to install Python to your system. So please watch that video. If you not yet watched the video, I'll just show you the glimpse here. First, you need to download the Python. After download, you need to install it. Here is the install now, but you have to select the customize option. When you go to customize option, we can set the path where we would like to install. So here is the default path, which is very lengthy. So instead of that, we can shorten the path. Now we are installing this Python in C:\Python 3.9. So this is the location where we have installed the Python. So now we can start the Python. So there are different ways to start the Python. So one is you can just straight away Python, search for Python, and you can see that there is a Python 3.9. So click on this. So it will open the Python in a command prompt. So this is the Windows command, and here it is open. You can work from here also. So to test it whether it's working or not, just type print hello world. Sorry. So press enter key. So it's printed. So it means that it's working fine. So this is the one method to open the Python. So you can work more here. So you can just type 3 plus 3. So you can see that 6 is coming. The answer is coming. We can do all mathematical operations here. 3 into 3 or 2 into 2. So the 4. You can use the parentheses also like brackets. So 3 plus 9 plus 9, close the bracket. So it's 24. So this is 18 plus 6, 24. So you can also assign the values. A is equal to 10. Now you can print the value. So print print the A value. A value is a 10. So print A. So again it will print the value of A. So now let's say A is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10. Then B is equal to 10. Now we can say C is equal to A plus B. Now print the C. So it giving the value 20 because A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10. So C is equal to 20. Now let's say for same A we can say hello. So B is equal to world. Now we can say print A plus B. So it concatenates, which means you join both the words and printing. So you need a space in between. So what to do? So you press the up arrow key. So it will bring back the previous command. Now move the cursor. After plus, give space, then one space, single quote, then space, then single quote, then plus B. Enter. So it's give the space. You can also print using the comma. So A comma B. So here you can see that there is a space already. When you say comma, the space will come automatically. Again I say A is equal to 10. I want to print using the if condition. If A is equal to 10. So we'll explain you all condition statement and variables in the later class. This is only to test how to work in the command prompt. So this is the next statement under the if condition. You have to give the space, 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can say print the value is 10. So double quote, then close the bracket. Then you write else statement, 4 spaces. The value is not 10, maybe something else. So again you press enter, this thing will be executed and you can see that the value is 10. Now you can use the up arrow key and down arrow key to bring back the previous commands. So down key, again down key. So again you can print the same. So again up arrow, print. Now let us change the value 9. Right, so use the up arrow key. So we'll bring back the so the value is 10, else so you want the value is not 10. Okay, so down arrow key, the value is not 10. So we can use the up arrow key and down arrow key, we can bring the previous commands or previous statements. So then the value is not 10 because now the value is equal to 9. So that's how we can work in the command prompt. So one is the command prompt. So if you type Python, so Python 3.9 64-bit, you'll open in the command prompt. One more is idle. So ideally, so it's an editor. You can use the editor, Python idle editor. So here you can see that Python shell. So same command prompt. Again, you'll have a prompt here. Here also you can type the code and then you can get the results. Let's say print hello world. So it's printed. Now you can say 3 plus 3, right? So 3 minus 9 minus 3, 6. So 9 into 9, 81. 9 divided by 9. So any mathematical operations we can do straight away in the prompt itself. Next, A is equal to hello and B is equal to world. So you can say print A comma B. So we'll print both the words together. Here up arrow down arrow key will not work, so up arrow will go up only. We can copy and paste. So now instead of comma you can use the plus. Now if you want space, so again you can copy this and then paste. So here you can give single quote, space, single quote, plus. So there is a space here. So one is a Python shell, so this is a Python idle shell. The other one is a command prompt. There is one more method. There is a CMD. You can open the command prompt. So you can type Python here. So it will open in the command prompt. Still here also you can work. So this is, so it's working fine. So there are 3 ways. So one is you can go to Python. So here you can check it out in the folder. So it's C drive. That is a Python 3.9. And in this folder, so you have a python.exe. This is the command prompt, okay? So when you run this, it immediately open the command prompt. So in the command prompt it will open. So you can type here and then you can execute the coding. The other one is in the libs. Sorry, lib actually. Lib. Then idle lib. In this we have idle. So idle.py. So here if you double click, so it will open the again Python idle. But it will open one more like this command window. If you don't want this, then you have to use the idle.pyw. So W file. So when you open this, you don't get the command prompt, but you'll have the Python shell. So there is also batch file is provided. You double click on this to open the Python shell. So therefore, we can create a shortcut for this on the desktop. Therefore, next time you don't need to come over here or you don't need to search. You straight away can open the idle. So therefore, right click, set to, then we can create shortcut. So a shortcut is created here. So next time onwards, by double click on this, we can work with that. So if you want command prompt, you have to go to C drive, then Python 3.9, and for this you have to create the shortcut. Send to desktop. So this is the command prompt, this is the idle. Fine. So practice this, and you from this video you learn like how to start the Python. So once you started, you can type some commands and execute them and check it out. So in the next class, we'll see that how step by step we can learn the Python.